Hello, I'm Leslie Logan, and I have variations that you can do with your hanging practice today. So make sure you checked out the half and full hanging because we've already done those. And this one is just going to be some things that you can do while you're hanging. So if you've been hanging before, try these. If you haven't, definitely try half and full hanging first. Make sure you feel really comfortable being upside down. And then you're going to get into your fuzzies. Sometimes it's easier than other times. And then definitely make sure you're really secure. So get yourself tight in these straps. And sometimes it takes a couple. There we go. Make sure you're even, right? And then once you're even, feeling really good about it, then you pull yourself off and you can do your full hanging. You can also grab the bars and push yourself into a back bend. They're like upside down push-ups backwards. Who doesn't love that? So fun. Like 3 of those. You can also turn yourself around and get all the way around. Strong, long body, and swan your chest. And then round your back. And then unwind. And then go the other way. And then swan and round. Always be careful on the unwinding because there's a lot of pulls. And then get back down into the center. Make sure you're even. Roll up. Grab your ankles if you can. And then you can swing and land. You can also roll off to the side. Roll off to the side and twist. And then roll off to the side and twist. If you like that, then just be really careful of these poles because it's a lot easier to hit them. I prefer the twist on the other side because it's a little easier to stay inside the frame and not get hit by those poles. Anyways, when you come out of your straps, let your back settle before you sit up and go on about your day. I'm Leslie Logan. For more Cadillac anything, workouts, tutorials, make sure you check out onlinepilatesclasses.com where we have so many videos for you to learn from. Thank you.